Okay, complete this sentence using a or an. I'm sorry, A yoki N to'ldirib beringlar. N'dan akil to'g'risanglar oldi. Sizuq tavshar bu bag'alarga o'sha N shil. Xo'sh, hamsam shu sizlarniki kitobning mashqdasi to'ldirib beringlar. Birinchisi. It is Swedish car. Mana uzuk tavshar bo'lganligini it is a Swedish car. She is air hostess. Air hostess degan nima? Aeroxon qiz, tushunami? She's an air hostess. U bo'lsa bir nima? Aeroplan kutkisi. Good. Masalan, this is an English car. Bu bo'lsa nima? Bir Angliyaning mashinasi. Xo'sh, shansmani qaranglar. It is qanday car? It is an English car. Asosiy tavshar bo'lgan Angliyaning mashinasi. Masalan, it is Japanese car. Qanday Japanese'ga uzuk tavshdan boshlandi? A Japanese car. And this is Italian ma aynim bilan so'zuq tavshunga mana an Italian car. What about next? It is French car. Mana qaysini A mu yoki N mu? A yoki B? It is a French car. He is American boy. O bo'lsa bir Amerikalik o'g'il bola. And Amerikalik bo'lganki ma A bilan boshlandi, shunga nima aytsanlar? An American boy. An American boy. King's she is student. What kind of student? She is a student. She is a student. Bob is not a teacher. A teacher. Good? Yaxshi. And sağlaşta mushu ulgu misol vakin o'shdan asosida ishlab beringlar, qaranglar. Shirt bilan white ni berib tushunami? Boshda uni rangini so'raydiganmiz. What color are your shirts? Okay, sizniki ko'ynaklaringizning rangi nima? Our shirts are white. Bizniki nimalar? Ko'ynaklar white, oq rangda. Tushunami? Demak, endi mana shuni so'g'anda ko'plikni ishlatganmiz. Xo'sh, endi ties bilan orange, galstuklar endi oblisni rangda. Endi so'raydiganimiz nima dersanglar, sizniki galstuklaringizning rangi nima? Onun rengi oblisni rangi. Now, and sizning galstuklarыңызның rangi degan. What color are your ties? What color are your ties? Okay, javob bergan nima? Our ties are orange. Bizningki bu galstuklar qaysi rangda? Orange da. Demak, nima? Oblisni rangi. Demak, men mashq darsini qaranglar. Endi mana ishlab beringlar, text bilan yellow. Okay. Endi sizning biletlaringizning rangi nima? The name is understand. What color are your tickets? What color are your tickets? Our tickets are yellow. Bizning biletlar qanday rangda? Yellow. Sariq rangda. So, how many cookies could a cook cook if a good cook could cook cookies? Okay. And then cookies qayt nima desanlar, bir tongue twisters. And the cookies deganimiz shu pecheni prang cookies deymiz. And how many cookies could a good cook cook if a good cook could cook cookies? Okay, and bu nima desanlar, how many cookies? Qanchadal pecheni prangni could qilalari a good cook cook. A good cook. A good cook deganimiz yaxshi oshpaz. Cook degan etdi. If agar a good cook, agar bir yaxshi oshpaz could cook cookies, mush pecheni prangni qanday pishira olsa. Demakki, agar bir yaxshi oshpaz pecheni prangni pishira olsa, azali qancha pecheni prangni bir yaxshi oshpaz qila oladi yoki italadi deymiz. How many cookies could a good cook cook if a good cook could cook cookies? How many cookies could a good cook cook if the good cook could cook cookies? All right. Actually, we can. How many cookies could a good cook cook if a cook cook good? All right, sorry. I'm amazed with Parmiamiana. How many cookies could a good cook cook? How many cookies could good cook cook? If a good cook cook cookies, could cook cookies. could cook cookies. Demakchi, endi mishariki cookies deganimiz pecheni prani cookninki bir ism bo'lganda ma'nosi oshpaz, pil bo'lganda ma'nosi tomoq atmak degan gap, ha. Endi mishariki a good cook could cook as much as cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. And in there a good cook good cook could cook bir yaxshi oshpaz tomoq etalaydi. As much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. Demakchi, bir yaxshi oshpaz shu pechin pranik pishira olgandek ko'plikda shu pechin praniklarni pishira oladi deydi. Buning ma'nosi bek tetiqsiz bo'ldi ba'zida. Lekin ham misharika nima desam, o'sha tilimizni qanaqaligi mashka. A good cook could sorry. A good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. Chamo qiyalaydi. A good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. Birinchi, how many cookies could a good cook cook if a good cook cookies? Degandek, bo'ldi. Mushu sizlar qilib qoldi. Bizniki mushtunga qaytarib berganlar qani, qaysanlar yomon. Xo'sh, bizning mushak darsimiz mushakcha bo'lsin. And see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.